Guys, welcome back. I have another thrift store find. I have another one of these $4, I guess, surprise bags or bulk bags. We just did the Minions one, and a while back we did the Barbie Kelly with all the little outfits, and I believe this doll was in it, and that was super fun. That so far, that Kelly one was the best. The Minion one was okay. This one I am excited about. If you look at these, they are, let me flip it this way, Barbie dress-up magnets. These are like paper dolls, or like the Polly Pocket dolls that we did where it was the magnets. The Polly Pocket one, though, it did not stick. That was a bad one. I'm going to get this open, and be careful when you open these. Some thrift stores like mine or secondhand stores, they use staples, and then you have to be really careful that you don't cut your hand on the staples. So if you're going to do these with kids and get these little bags, make sure you cut the bag open, just because you don't want to be excited to have something really cool and then you've hurt yourself. So this one, if we fold this back up so you can see the top, is Dressup Magnets Barbie. This is, I'm going to say, almost vintage because it's from 2000. Can you see that there? 2001. So this is our older Barbie. It says 2001 as well there. This was an expensive magnet set. If you look, that's $9.99 Canadian because I am in Canada. And there are 3 different, I guess, magnet packs. So there's this one that we have and these other 2. What I'm thinking, and go with me on this one, or just stay with me. If we cut these out, these would actually be pretty cool little posters to put in your Barbie dollhouse. I mean, how cute. Or you could use it as like a background in your Barbie toy store, or even your American Girl toy store, house, whatever you want to do. You could even, I think, because I think this is cardboard, you could cut this part out and then just like stick it anywhere as a Barbie decor. I do have to say, for the age of this was a good quality packaging. And there's a beautiful picture of Barbie, and it is by Sandy Lion Stickers. I don't know how to open this. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. I don't think it's resealable. So once we open this, that's it. I guess you can't put the stickers back in. But I do like this. It's got different wigs. Oh, you know what? We're just going to open it all up. Let's just cut it. I'm going to cut it. Here we go. I brought scissors this time. I am getting better at bringing scissors. Oh my gosh. This is a good quality plastic seal. There we go. Oh, it is cardboard. Okay. All right, let's get it out. So I guess if you cut it like that, you could keep that. This would also be a very good page protector, or you could put your scraps of fabric in it, or you could put your magnets in when you're done. But because these are magnets, I would just stick them on your fridge or any magnetic board. But look how cool that is to hold stuff. Pretty cool. And you know what? If you're going on vacation, camping, cottage, trailer, friend's house, this is perfect. Oh, these are thick. If you had 2 of these, you could play Barbie with your children, grandchildren, whoever, and like it would take up this much space because it's a magnet. How great would that be for travel? And yes, this is cardboard. Now I am really excited. Not only do I get the magnets to decorate my fridge, I get all of this that I can use in different crafts, different ideas. This one would be perfect. Cut it out, put it into my American Girl dollhouse. Same thing with these. These could be her Barbie accessories. Oh, these could be her Barbie accessories. I really like the idea of using these as art in my Barbie dollhouse. What other ideas do you have for like the scrap packaging? I mean, honestly, if you didn't want to do anything, you could just color on the back. Okay, let's get into the actual toy now that I've gone off all about the other fun stuff. Let's see what we have. So we have our Barbie. We have a wig here, this outfit. So 1, 2, 3. Look at all the outfits and flowers. Okay. Are these going to be? Oh, look at how easy these pop out. Okay. So you just want to go slow. Do you know what these are like? It's almost like you can buy at the dollar store. There's her skirt. You can buy at the dollar store magnets that you can print on. Ooh, you want to be careful around the straps. So if you do have little kids or little ones, look at how easy that one came out. You might want to help them. The hair, I'm confused. Is it going to come on? Oh, why is the hair? Ah, because it doesn't come off there. Bend it. Look at it comes off around. That makes sense, because how else would you put it on Barbie's head? This part stays behind. So if you're not careful, it'll peel off. It could also be that just that these are old. So a little bit of glue and we can pop that one back down. I cannot wait to put these on my fridge. Okay, little peel there. Little peel. Oh, is that a tiara? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Her head comes off in 2 pieces. Barbie doll. Let me get these off. Okay. Look at the vintage phone. All right, I want to get that vintage phone out. Look at the vintage phone. There you go. That is a cordless phone, very era of the late 90s, early 2000s, which is right on. These are starting to peel, and I don't know. Do you see that with the glasses? They're peeling. I don't know if it's just the age. I'm hoping that it's just the age. I'm going to have to glue that one back down too. But that's okay. Let's get our Barbie out. I'm just going to fold it like this. So some of these are coming off easy. Do they still make these? Have you seen this type of thing in a store? That's like not a secondhand store, I guess I should specify. I don't know why her head peels like that. I guess if you want to, oh my gosh. Remember I said this was easy? Don't always trust me on my first words. Let me get it off. There. There. Ah! There. All right. Do you know what I don't like? It says 2001 Mattel right on Barbie. So there is our Barbie. Oh, okay. Wait. You got to see this one. This is so cool. I thought this was one piece. Look, it's a skirt, but now it's a short skirt. Did these stick? So now Barbie's wearing a skirt, and now she's wearing a long skirt. That's why her hair... Am I right about this? Look at that. Her hair comes off. So she can have short hair or long hair. That means when we're putting this wig on her... Does this wig work? Oh my. That Barbie is giving very Karen vibes. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's her shirt. It doesn't really line up with her, does it? Let me take the skirt off. Well, the magnets stick. Look at the back of her hair. Let's take this off. The shirt doesn't really fit her. I mean, I guess it doesn't line up very nice. Let's try this purse. Oh, these are socks. Okay, there's her socks. They fit really good. Let's get this purse. Oh, there's more socks. Oh, ballet shoes. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay. I can see this being hours of fun. The purse does not cut out, so she would have to hold it like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. There's no cut lines. That's the purse. Not a fan of the purse. Let's try the skirt. Oh, look at her. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay. We got to do this wig. I want to see her in the long hair. Oh my. Oh my. I like this. This is fun. Let's try this outfit. What is, oh, there's her glasses, look. Oh my God. Do you see how it's pulling? See that, look. Do you see it? Can you see it? Hear that? That's the magnets. These are strong magnets. They don't want to stick. Maybe these are too strong. Maybe these are too strong. Look at her there. Oh my gosh. All right. Hours of fun. I could see this as a wonderful option. Do they still make these? Have you seen these? Just be very, like, some of them are coming out so easy. I really do hope that they still make these because let's get these shoes on. I want to try the shoes. Ah! Okay, the shoes are a bit of a fail, but look at all the pieces that we still have to take out. Oh my gosh, look at all of this. And you can even cut out the word Barbie and Ballet and make cute little fridge magnets of your own. How fun would this be? Honestly, how fun would this be? You're going on holiday, you pack this, and I mean, cleanup is easy. You should just be able to. Look at that. Oh, this is how we know they stick. Look at, just throw them all on. Look, there's her hair. Cleanup is a breeze. Look at that. Ah, look at that. They are almost, for the most part, sticking. I love that vintage phone. Look at that. Okay, a couple pieces are falling off, but for the most part, look at that. Everything just kind of sticks. And you don't have to worry about it. You could just fold it all up, put it into a little bag, and take it all with you. I love this. Cottage, rainy day, camping. You want to take Barbie to the beach and you don't want to bring your actual Barbie? Here's your Barbie. You can pick her up and move her around. If you found 2 of these, this would be an amazing, oh my gosh, on a plane. If you're flying somewhere, you could play dolls, change their clothes, and it all fits like this. Super flat. You don't need to bring a lot of stuff. Look at all the outfits. I got like 4 different outfits here. This would be absolutely perfect for travel. Honestly, I really do hope they still make these. This has been, I'm going to say it, our second best thrift store bag find. I'm still going with Kelly and all of her accessories that we found, the vintage 90s accessories, as our best bag so far. But I'm rating this as number 2. Or a close tie to the Kelly doll. Let me know in the comments. This one or the Kelly doll set that came with all this stuff. I don't know. One's kind of vintage and old, used, miscellaneous pieces, but still so much fun. This one was brand new Barbie magnets. And I gotta say, compared to the Polly Pocket, this is 100% better. Like, the stuff is actually sticking. Look at Barbie again. Like, it's actually sticking to her and it's not just flopping off. The magnets are strong in this one. That is it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, let me know in the comments what your favorite pieces are. If you remember these when you were kids, if you buy these for your kids, grandkids, nieces, nephews, whoever in your life, doll collectors, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for all the support.